Text: The Breakwater Apartments. From above, a pier stretches into the ocean. Roads and parked cars surround an apartment complex. Trees pepper the complex. On a map, the complex is surrounded by cities and Interstate 405. Schools, entertainment centers, educational institutions, and shopping centers surround the complex. We enter a building with glass doors. Inside, a foosball table. Egg chairs hang from a ceiling. A common area with a refrigerator, a counter, and seating. Outside, exposed and covered chaise lounges surround an L-shaped pool. A smaller circular pool rests nearby. Nearby the pool are two children's playgrounds. A building reads, Fitness Center. Inside, a giant mirror reflects weightlifting and aerobic exercise equipment. We travel through a playground with slides and climbing areas. Grass and bushes flank a sidewalk. Apartments area accented with gray and white. Outside an apartment, a large umbrella shades two chaise lounges. Inside the apartment, gray floors support a wood console and a sofa. White cabinets and gray countertops line the galley kitchen. A bedroom with a tufted headboard, which sits opposite a large mirror and dresser. The bed is flanked by dark wood nightstands. A bathroom with a large mirror opposite the tub. Outside, a white fence encloses two chaise lounges. A building reads, The Breakwater Apartments. From above, people play in a pool. We soar above the apartment complex. Below, trees line the roads and dot the landscape. Logo: The Breakwater Apartments.